Welcome to this explainer revealing the hidden chemistry and economics behind Jazzy's Pro car washes. Let's dive in.
Ever wonder why your Sunday driveway wash never quite matches that flawless professional finish? The answer is actually pretty wild. It all starts with bulk commercial products. They literally cost 30 to 45% less than retail equivalents. Pros use a hardcore chemical arsenal, pH-neutral foams, heavy-duty degreasers, and targeted wheel cleaners for that perfect shine.
The real secret? Surfactant concentration. Pro formulas pack up to 15%, totally blowing watered-down retail brands away.
Now, these high-powered cleaners keep a strict pH balance between 6 and 8. This safely protects your car's clear coat. Plus, modern commercial formulas use biodegradable ingredients and low VOC profiles, easily hitting those strict eco-friendly compliance standards. This advanced chemistry is literally tailor-made for Josie's extreme UV rays, heavy summer rain, and dry winter dust. So, get this mind-blowing math. Just one 20-liter drum makes up to 4,000 liters of working solution. By nailing these dilution ratios, operators perfectly match the chemical strength to your car's exact grime level. Surprisingly, even small local operators grab these wholesale perks without worrying about crazy minimum bulk order requirements. Suppliers keep things running smoothly with same-day morning deliveries zipping across Sandton, Rosebank, Randburg, and Midrand. So, knowing this hidden chemistry and crazy wholesale economics, are you really going to wash it the retail way again?